To list designer bags. Start by opening a web browser and typing in the website for a platform that buys and sells secondhand designer items. Once the page loads, you will see a search bar, logo, and options to sign in or sign up. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. And if you do have an account, use the Sign In option with your email and password. From there, you can access your favorites, notifications, and shopping bag. To list an item, such as a bag, click on the Sell an Item option. You will then be prompted to select the type of item you are selling, such as women's, men's, or kids' wear. Choose the category that best fits your item. In this case, handbags. And then select the brand name from the given options or type it in manually. If you need assistance, there are resources available to guide you through the process.